As you know, I bought the new Specialized Turbo Levo 4 about 2 months ago. And when researching the builds of the new Levo 4, I decided to go with the lowest price build I could get. On paper, it looks the part. GX transmission, Maven brakes, and Fox suspension. There were only two glaring issues I couldn't live with. The first is the shock. The shock is a base Genie Float X without a compression adjuster. I've already learned the hard way, I need compression. But it's an easy fix. You can get a compression knob for the Float X for only $25. And most people don't know, that's right, it has an adjuster under the plastic cap. You only need the knob. By simply adding a knob, you can turn your base Float X into a fully adjustable shock, like the factory version, but without the gaudy gold color. To be honest, these clips of me adding one here, it's not my shock. I did mine straight away after getting the bike and didn't think to record any of it. This one is my friend Wes's shock. For $25, it's a wonderful upgrade, and I think it's crucial for us heavier riders. It makes a plain shock very tunable. And here's my current shock settings now if anyone is interested. The second problem is the wimpy Fox 36. Fixing this costs a lot more, but I swapped out the 36 for a Fox 38. I didn't want to pay more for the gold factory fork, so I got the Performance Elite for less money, and it has the same air spring and the new Grip X2 damper. After fitting all this on my bike, there was only one thing to do: test it. To get a solid baseline, I started on my local trails I know and love.
Oh man, I slipped. Okay, probably not the best idea. Ugh. Whoa.
Then after a long haul, I was in Bentonville for the Bike Fest. I had a great time riding around town with my friends, and I hit most of what I wanted before the rain and storms came.
corner sucks. Woo! Yeah, boy. And there's rocks right here. Oh, I missed it. That is a fun one right there, man. When I come to Bentonville, I really like to get a guide, a local, to tour me around. They were all really expensive. I couldn't really afford one, but then I ran across and found this guy.
Yo.
And he'll just have to do. Thanks, Evan, I appreciate you, brother.
No problem.
From there, I loaded up, and with what felt like just a brief stop by the house, I went to Jarrod's place. But I did something I don't think I've done this year. I did top laps on the steeper tech trails. This is an e-bike after all. I might as well climb up there over and over again.
Oh my God. Oh boy, that was a case.
Okay, Shane from the future here. I wanted to jump in right here and just say that I have made a video about my loss of confidence from last year on jumping and stuff, but I haven't made one about steep trails. And this day right here really reminded me that I need to work on my steep trails. That confidence is gone too. So right here on pre-roll, kind of struggled a little bit.
Oh, should have gapped that. Let's go this way. That's kind of ugly. Nah, that's fine.
And you know I had to hit the jump trails on the e-bike too.
Golly. Hey, do you do this triple up here? I haven't done it yet. I just now figured out where it is. Like, I can remember where it's at. It's what? Yeah, do it. If you want, do it. Oh yeah, it's a... I really am not good at that corner.
Overall, I think the upgrades are worth it. I think the bike is dialed at this point. Now for the elephant in the room before the comments start. Yes, this bike is already too expensive. All bikes are, if you ask me.
That's okay.
But I knew going into it, I would have to do these upgrades, and I planned for them. And to be honest, this is the least I've ever had to change when buying a complete bike. I hope this helps someone, and if there's something you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments. I'll be around the Southeast this summer, and next month, I'll be at Snowshoe, and maybe I'll see you there.
It's a fun little trail, though.
Rock out a show, had their hands in the air with my folks in the cut. It's a family affair. I understand why they doubted this line of profession. Don't have too many succeed, but I'm gonna come back with a diamond. You bring that pressure to me.